everyone, my name is Nilis Ripper Tiwi. You can call me Tiwi. My number is 31. I would like to explain how two guests have problem in the room. Excuse me, miss, I would like to complain about my hotel your room. Okay, mom, what going on? I stay in hotel room number 105 and I feel that the room AC was not as cold as in short base, so the room temperature feels gas. I'm sorry, mom. We will check and repeat AC in the room. Yes, sir. Thank you. Yes, miss. Thank you for the help. Have my explain it as hotel can be better. We will always try to give you better experience. Thank you for your prints and please wait a little longer, mom. Yes, miss.